Hello friends, welcome to Easy Learning Economics. I am Dr. Kewal. In the previous lecture, we learned in detail about concept of unemployment and types of unemployment. In this lecture, we shall discuss the labor force participation rate and how to calculate the labor force participation rate. What is labor force? What is adult population? What is labor force participation rate? How to calculate the labor force participation rate. This is our lecture plan. The labor force participation rate measures the proportion of working age population of 15 years to 64 years who are engaged in the labor market, either working or looking for work. As we learned about the labor force in the unemployment concept, that labor force is equals to number of employed plus number of unemployed people. The productive capability of an economy depends on the size of the adult population. So what is adult population? So adult population is equals to labor force plus not in labor force. The proportion of the adults who are in labor force called the labor force participation rate. So labor force participation rate formula is the ratio of the labor force to adult population multiplied by 100. The labor force participation rate can change more quickly than adult population. Moving in and out of the labor force is easier than moving in and out of the adult population. A rise in unemployment rate reflects both a larger number of unemployed and longer average duration of unemployment. The labor force participation rate shows the supply of labor available for production of goods and services. How to calculate the labor force participation rate? As we calculated the adult population in underestimation and overestimation of unemployment, if you want to test your knowledge about underestimation and overestimation of unemployment rate, you can watch my video on underestimation and overestimation or limitations of unemployment rate. So the link is given in description box. Adult population is equals to labor force plus not included in labor force. So the 7.86 million are the labor force who are employed plus unemployed people, and 3.45 million people are those people who are not working due to any reasons, whether they are full-time students or suffering from illness and lying on bed rest for a longer period. The total adult population is 11.31 million people. You know, the labor force participation rate is the ratio of the labor force to adult population multiplied by 100, as the labor force is here 7.86 million, out of the adult population is 11.31 million, and multiplied by 100, the total labor force participation rate is 69.49%. This is all about the labor force participation rate, and we have calculated the 69.49% labor force participation rate. I hope this has improved your knowledge. If you have any query or suggestions, let me know in comment box. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.